Hi children, we are back for a new topic, food for class 3. You know, food is one of the basic necessity of life. Living beings need food to live, grow and remain healthy. Food gives us energy to do work. We have already learned in class 2 that we get our food from plants and animals. I think we have learned all these things. Now let me check you have learned it or not. Let's do it. Now fill in the following blanks with the help of help box. First one is, we eat food to dash and dash. The correct answer is live and grow. Wow. Second is, flour is obtained from dash of wheat plant. It is grains. Dash and dash are used as dry fruits in winters. Just think about it is almonds and peanuts. Dash and dash are two milk products. What are these? Cheese and curd. Wow. Chintu likes to eat fish. He is a non-vegetarian. Right? Wow. That means you have learnt in class 2. These are the correct answers. Just have a look. You know, plants and animals provide us food in various forms. Now let's study in detail. Just think. There are many types of plants on the earth. They provide us many forms of food material. Some of the foods are eaten raw and some are cooked before eating. They eat different parts of plants. We eat seeds and fruits of some plants and roots, stem or leaves of other plants. Fine. Now, let us learn how we use various parts of different parts in our food. First is seeds. Seeds of some plants like wheat and rice, they are the part of our daily life. Okay. Flour. Many of us like to eat chapatis and bread daily. These are made from wheat flour. Wheat flour is obtained by grinding the seeds of wheat. And we also eat rice or maize grains, which are the seeds of their respective plants. There are sometimes grind to make their flour. Dosas and idlis are prepared from the paste of ground rice and dal. We eat cereals like wheat, rice and corn as they give us energy to do work. Now just have a look at the pictures. Pulse plant, pulse seed and cooked pulse or dal. Dal that we often take in lunch and dinner. It is made up of seeds of particular plants. Such seeds are boiled and some spices are added to them before eating them. Pulses like dal, peas and gram should be added to our meals as they help us to grow. Now, nuts. Just have a look at the picture of nuts, peanuts, walnut, cashew nut, almonds. We often enjoy munching nuts like peanuts or walnut, cashew nuts and almonds. These are the seeds which are generally eaten raw. Nuts provide us a lot of energy to us and keep our body warm. Now, leaves. Coriander leaves, mint and curry leaves. We eat leaves of different plants. Leaves of spinach, cabbage and mustard. They are cooked before eating, and these are called green vegetables, and they are very good for our health. They protect us from diseases. Leaves of oriental mint and curry plant, they are used for garnishing and flavoring our food. Stem. Potato is a very common food all over the world. It is nothing but the underground stem of its plant. That means potato is an underground stem. Other stems which are often eaten are onion, ginger and stem of lotus, which is also known as Kamal Kakdi. Roots. The roots of plants are used as food. These roots can be eaten raw or cooked. You must have seen eaten carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. All these are the roots of these plants. Now, fruits. Fruits keep us fit and healthy and protect us from various diseases. We all like to eat fruits. Sweet and juicy fruits like mangoes, oranges, grapes, watermelon, they are eaten raw without cooking. But some fruits are cooked and eaten as vegetables like brinjal, ladyfinger and tomato. They are such fruits. Tomatoes are eaten raw as well as cooked one. Now, food from animals. Animals cannot always fulfill all the needs of all the people in the world. So many people add animal products like milk, eggs, meat and fish to the food that they eat. Now, milk of some animals like cow, buffalo and goat is taken by people all over the world. Milk is a very good source of nutrients. It is considered to be a complete food. It helps us to grow, give us energy and protect from various diseases. Fine. It is especially important for growing children. Milk products like curd, cheese, ice cream, kheer, etc. are liked by most of us. Fine. Food needs. Different people eat and need different amount of food. The type of food they eat also varies. The amount of food consumed depends upon age, occupation, physical activity and gender of a person. Like for small children, they need more food for growing of their body. Right? Food and age. From birth till about 4 months of age, small babies take milk only. When a child is nearly 6 months of age, he or she is given soft pieces of fruit and semi-solid foods. And growing children and young person, they need to eat proper amount of balanced diet, which has include rice, vegetables, chapatis, dal, nuts, milk and milk products. And we should also drink proper amount of water along with a good diet. In old age, people prefer easily digestible simple food. Fine? Now children, we have learned about food. Now you need to read out the chapter at home. Thank you.